In this video I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful looking landing pages in less than 5 minutes using Pencil. So after opening up Pencil you'll be prompted on this screen. I'm going to press Command K and it will open the chat window right here. I'm going to head to the top left corner, I'm going to select Kids, I'm going to select Chat CN. I'm going to type here, please create me a landing page using the Chat CN components for a SaaS selling chickens on a farm. This is my only prompt I'm going to give. It's going to do its magic and I will be back when it's done. And after less than a minute of actually working on this landing page, it has created something pretty nice, and this is like the power of Pencil. So what you can do now is you can attach this to your codecs. Let me just open it up. Here it is. Through your settings you can head to MCP servers and you can ask codecs to push this live and put this on a domain depending on what setup you're using, and in less than a minute, without even touching your mouse, you're able to create a beautiful looking landing page. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.